Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at the Satechi monitor holder. You can also use this for a iPhone or just any smartphone, to be honest. You can also use it with almost any tablet, so it doesn't necessarily have to be an Apple tablet. So this was the one point that was a little bit difficult to opening the latch, because I didn't want to destroy the box just in case I had to return it, exchange it. You never really know. But inside the box, really simplistic, nothing much really, but this is where you get the actual item, and beneath this you get a nice leaflet. So that's the item, comes in nice silver, so it's actually really nice. It really does go with a lot of Apple tech, a lot of tablets, a lot of iPhones, so it's actually really simplistic. Now this is how I've been using my tablet for a really long time. I've had to just type, but I don't really type a lot. So considering that I can use my tablet without typing, I thought it's time for me to get a monitor holder for my tablet, something that I can just use that is a bit more practical. I don't really use this tablet in portrait mode quite a lot. I mostly use it in landscape. Times when I do use this tablet in portrait mode is if I'm drawing, I'm using Procreate or something like that. But this monitor arm is not really to use Procreate. This is simply to watch videos, mostly consume content. So yeah, just opening everything, it's actually feels really premium, so that's good. It goes with Apple products really well, but you definitely want to move your tablet out the way. Don't want to hold something like this above your tablet because it could just break the screen. It's actually quite solid metal, so it can easily break your iPad screen. While an iPhone screen is a bit more durable, you have to be honest, iPad screen, it's a lot more soft, it's a lot more gentle. So what I found immediately is that it was off balance. But it's easy to find the correct balance for this thing, and using it firsthand, it does make you feel a little bit nervous because there's nothing holding it to the tablet. It's just the two arms at the bottom. One thing that will be really useful for this tablet holder is magnets at the back. It would be able to hold on to the tablet, and additionally, using my phone, it'll be able to hold on to my phone. Some useful things like that, but unfortunately, there is no magnet at the back. I've seen similar items on Instagram, online, so I do wonder if I picked the wrong item, if I bought the wrong item, and it's more than possible. So I'll have to check out other items to see if I bought the wrong item, and if I did, I will try to return this to Apple and just say I bought the wrong item, and hopefully they'll understand. Now this is what it looks like using it in portrait. Looks really good. Thankfully, I got some new wallpaper from Elior website. These wallpapers are a new, fresh look for me personally. I waited until 2023 to get these wallpapers. I wanted a fresh look, something quite outstanding. This is what it looks like in portrait mode, and it's easy to use. It's easily manageable, and now I can operate on my desk whilst keeping my laptop in view. However, maximizing my space. Minimizing the unnecessary space and maximizing my useful space. Now that I'm not using the keyboard anymore, and the keyboard used to just take up a little bit too much space, it was always annoying. And the thing about the keyboard is that if I hit something by accident, then it operates on its own and it's quite annoying. But you can just see it's easy to lift up, easy to move, it's quite well balanced, but I just wish if there was an extra safety feature, something to hold on to the back, possibly magnets. Now overall, it's a pretty good product to have. It's been pretty useful. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, subscribe to see more, and I will see you in our next video.